Hey guys, come check out this kitchen main floor renovation we just wrapped up. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. Okay, so the client has an older home that was beginning to show signs of wear and really needed some maintenance. And they wanted a new finish that really modernized the home, but also minimized the need for ongoing maintenance and had nice clean look and function to it. The main change in here is within the kitchen area. Here, the flow was a challenge. There used to be a peninsula incorporated in the design, which really cut up the space and made it hard to have a couple of people working in the kitchen at the same time. So we reconfigured this now. We have a nice new pantry area, built-in workspace here. The peninsula used to run across here and really divided the space. So now it's a lot more open concept. We have a nice new LED pot lighting grid in here, which really lights the space. It used to be quite dark. Nice backsplash to kind of make it nice and easy and wipeable. Quartz countertops, the cabinets, a nice one-piece shaker design. So again, really nice to easy and wipe down. So it becomes a real low maintenance finish for them. Additionally, we've upgraded to an induction oven or an induction cooktop as well. So we had to put a new electrical circuit for that. But it is a really great upgrade within the kitchen space itself. We also, if you could see down in the laundry room here, added some nice tall cabinetry above the washer dryer for increased storage. So overall, the theme here was to make it a bit more open concept, improve the flow, and maximize storage within a relatively small space, which is always key within planning your renovation. I'll show you some other areas in the house here. So throughout the balance of the space, we have new LVP flooring, we've repainted, new doors and trim throughout. We added new carpets into the bedrooms. And come take a look at the ensuite bathroom. It's a smaller space, but a couple of smart little changes made here that'll help make the space a lot more functional and require less maintenance also over the long run. So here we have your classic kind of two-piece ensuite bathroom. And one of the main issues here was storage. So we have some new built-in medicine cabinets, they would call them. So these are actually framed to be recessed in the wall. And it's a great way to have increased storage without having these things project out into the bathroom. Also nice new quartz countertops, easy to keep clean, no maintenance required. Nice new cabinets, nice little dovetail details throughout all the cabinetry, and a nice cabinet and hardware package make it really pop. One common problem too in these older homes is bathrooms with windows. They used to not install bathroom fans, but in our climate that doesn't really work. Condensation becomes an issue, so we have new exterior vented fans in both of the bathrooms, which will help keep maintenance to a minimum here because it can be an ongoing problem with moisture buildup and whatnot. So, a nice, far more modernized and practical space here. Not a big one, but again, you're getting good performance and overall aesthetic improvements in the long term. Thanks for checking this out. If you have questions about your project, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great one.